Part B of this question reads, examine 5 shares payment method. 5 shares payment method. B. 5 shares payment method. 5 shares payment method. One is cash payment. Cash payment. Cash payment. Shareholders can pay for their shares in cash, transferring the agreed upon amount to the company's designated bank account. And that's the most common method of payment. Check payment. Check payment. Check payment. Shareholders can make payment for their shares by issuing a check in favor of the company, and the check is then deposited by the company into the bank account. Bank transfer. Bank transfer. Bank transfer. Shareholders can transfer funds directly from their bank accounts to the company's bank account using electronic bank transfer methods such as online banking or even wire transfer. Installment payment. Installment payments. In some cases, candidate companies allow shareholders to pay for their shares in installments, and this involves making partial payments over a specified period of time until the full amount is paid. 5. Non-cash consideration. Non-cash consideration. Instead of cash, shareholders may pay for their shares through non-cash considerations such as assets or property or even services. And such method is commonly used in cases where the company allows payment through combination of cash and non-cash consideration. So these are some of the methods that can be used to pay for shares. 5 share payment methods, 5 marks. Non-cash consideration, installment payment, bank transfer, check payment, cash payment, 5 marks.